My interest in cars began in Lebanon. I actually moved to the US, I was 17 years old. I remember distinctly the first time I watched Bullitt. I had no idea what the car was, and of course couldn't just go out and Google it. Started doing some research, found out that the car is a Mustang. And I had that distinct look, the lights, the stance of it. There's not another category of cars that gives you the horsepower, and more importantly, it's that rumbling sound of the engine. I like that feeling when I'm sitting in an American muscle. 10 years ago, I actually bought the car that I've always wanted, the '69 Mustang. The most sophisticated thing on that car was maybe a toggle switch. There's literally wires, bulky switches, knobs, and a car battery. Now think about what we do here at Cypress. A third of our revenue is automotive. I actually came into Cypress a decade ago to get that automotive business off the ground, so it's in my blood. So I wanted to put the two together. So that's when we decided we're gonna create a dashboard. We're not gonna use anything original. It's all gonna be tech enabled by Cypress. If you can make that iconic car drive and feel like a modern car, you get the best of both worlds.